Okay, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. Wala akong time mag-upload. So, into this video, we're going to do unboxing of this. Ayan, pero bago sa lahat, yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe, hit the bell button para maging notified kayo sa lahat ng video na aking gagawin. I know, dahil sa sobrang busy or sobrang dami ng ginagawa ko, I have one day off. So, minsan nag-upload ako ng video. At least, nagtatry ako mag-upload once a week. And, I try my best. So, guys, excited lang akong i-unboxing itong ating bagong i-unboxing. So, there you go. I posted this one on my Facebook last, I think 2 weeks ago, but since na-busy ako, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time mag-unboxing since dumating yung isa kong in-order sa Gucci. Actually, binenta to ng isang kaibigan sa akin na nabili niya na hindi niya nagagamit at hindi niya pa nagamit. So, ayan. Still on the package. Excited ba kayo? At saka ito, ayan, mamaya, isa-isahin muna natin. So, nagustuhan ko siya kasi napaka, niya, ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan, ito siya. Baliktad. Ano ang laman nito? Tchanan! Eye on the screen. Tanggalin natin itong ano na to dito kasi baka masagi natin. So, ano siya? Dionysus mini bag ng Gucci. Ang gusto ko kasi yung kulay. Parang kasing laki ata siya ng iPhone ko or ng Samsung. Where's my Samsung? Nasa labas. Ayan, syempre kasama yung kanyang mga parunalmalya. Ano ba tawag ito? Mga papel-papel. Ganun. Na nagpapatunay na ang ating gamit o nabiling gamit is totoo. Kasi meron siya dito nakalagay. Sa iba-ibang lengguwahe, I guess. Masyado. So, yung strap niya is tanggalin na natin yung strap. Para dito. Ba't ito din ang gano'n? Ayan. So, syempre, pagka bibili kayo ng bag, most especially pag mga ganitong may mga crystals, make sure na kumpleto yung crystal ng bag natin, ano? Ayan. Oops. Ito siya. So far, chinek ko naman lahat. Okay naman. Wala siyang nabawalang diamond. Diamond. I'm not even sure if this is diamond. It's kind of stone, of course. Of course, Gucci will going to use, hindi naman sila gagamit ng cheap stones for their bags, diba? Kasi their quality, binibili ng tao yung pangalan ng, yung name nila. So, dapat lang talaga na yung quality ng mga ilalagay nila dito sa mga bag is, diba? maganda yung quality. So far, okay naman siya. Wala pa naman akong nakikita. Kumpleto naman yung mata. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos sa loob, yung leather siya, guys. Ay, hindi. Ano ba tawag dito? Velvet pala. Ayan. Tapos na dito sa side niya, medyo ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, meron siyang ano dito, yung reference number. Ayun. Susot natin. Para nakita nyo. Ayan, ganyan siya. Diba? Ang ganda, ang cute. So, ang may lalagay mo lang dito is your credit card, debit card, your card, probably passport, and don't put coins, it's gonna be noisy. Yeah. So, yun yung ating, ang tawag pala dito is Dionysus mini bag. Ayan. I-search nyo na lang kung sino yung mga gustong malaman yung price. Pwede nyo siyang search sa Gucci, www.gucci.com, price, ganun. Kasi ito na kung search para malaman nyo. Dionysus, leather, Dionysus, velvet, red velvet, price, parang ganun. Para sabihin sa inyo kung malaman yung price. Kasi I bought this from someone who bought na hindi nila ginagamit. So the price is, I got lesser than the price, than the real price. That's why I buy. So, o diba? And there you go, the other one. Ang ganda daw ng box, sabi ng asawa ko kasi ano siya, si Mickey Mouse. Ayan, si Mickey Mouse lang daw sa kanya. So anyway, there is our second unboxing is a Gucci. But it's not a bag. It's not a bag. It's not a bag. Anyway, alright, excited ba kayo? So this is what they call Monogram. Monogram or Jordaan Loafers Red. It's a Gucci. Nandito pala. Malaga Jordaan Loafers. Yan. So, meron din siya nito. Jordaan! Tantananan! So, eto lang siya, guys. So, if you are going to think about one here and one here, so it's gonna be two inside, right and left. So it means there will be two things inside, right? Am I right? So, I got this! It's Malaga Jordaan Loafers Red. Yan. Guys, if you really want to know the price, you can check on Gucci website too. I can't tell you the price because she asked me not to tell anyone. Yan. Alright, so it's a size 36 and some 36. Yes, 36. And actually my feet is only 35, but I got a wide fit, so I always get 36. Di ba ang ganda? Parang terno sila ng aking bag. Yan. Right. So this is the Malaga Jordaan Loafers Gucci bag. Gucci shoes, sorry. I always get bag. Tanggalin natin yung mga nakasiksik sa loob. So it says here, made in Italy. Oops. Size 36. Ang cute niya as in. So, match na match doon sa aking bag. Sa Dionysus bag, di ba? Napaka-smooth dito. Ganito pala yung Italy brand. Italy made. Ayan. So, kung compare mo siya, yan. So, this is a Dionysus mini bag. And this is Malaga Jordaan Loafers. Red. Just go to, like what I said, just go to Gucci and find for the price if you really want to know the price. Take note, in United States, I think whenever you buy stuff there is like this. It depends on which state you from. Sa California, nung nasa California kami, it's 10% tax. In Texas, it's like 8%, something like that. Depends on what state. Sa states kayo. Ayan. I guess this is like around more than $800 or $900. This one's like, I check it in the website, it's like $594 US. So that depends. I never order things online, mo especially mga ganito yung kasi dito naman sa Kuwait kompleto naman yung mga brand na for example gusto naming bumili ng mga bagay-bagay, and so okay lang. So yun lang guys yung ating unboxing ngayon. Enjoy kayo. Diba? Maganda siya. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating unboxing. It's gonna be short kasi sana nagkasya naman siya sa amin. Pero kagabi medyo kinabahan ako kasi medyo masikip kasi nga yung paa ko medyo mataba siya, and eto medyo may slim. Naisip ko tuloy, kailangan ba? Paano ba magpapayat ng paa? Ayan, so mayroon siyang ano ba kasi tawag dito? Dust bag. Aayusin ko pagka mga dust bags. Siyempre yung ating bag. O diba? Super cute. Ang cute niya. But on this kind of bag, I was thinking like if I'm going to wear it somewhere, or if I'm going somewhere with this bag, I have to wear something that's with packet. Kasi this is a mini bag. Siguro ang may lalagay lang natin dito cellphone, card, mga ganon. Hindi masyadong ano. So it's like for a dinner, gano'n, yung mga pupunta sa dinner, kasi mostly pagka nag-dinner tayo, we don't need to bring a lot. Like me, for example, sometimes I just bring my insurance card. That's the most important para kung may mangyari hindi natin masabi. Card, debit card, and civil IDs. Here in Kuwait, we always had to bring our civil IDs with us. Kasi may mga random checking minsan, and kailangan pag hinanapan ka na ng civil ID, yun yung pinapakita namin para sabihin na legal kami or mga ganyan, mga chuchu. So, yun lang yung best advice ko when you're going to buy this type of bag. You should wear some dress that has a lot of packets, so you can put something on your pockets extra like that. So, I hope you guys nag-enjoy sa ating unboxing. I'm sorry for all these Actually, pinamili ko pa yan last week pero hindi ko pa naaayos. Ganyan ako minsan. Ayan. So, isn't that nice, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, please hit the subscribe button naman para sa susunod na mga unboxing natin or kung may unboxing pa o sa mga susunod na video i-upload natin, maging updated kayo at makita nyo yung ating mga susunod na i-upload. Thank you so much!